Introduction. Layla. Are you traveling abroad for the first time? Do you feel nervous about speaking English at the airport? Don't worry. In this video, we'll teach you a simple and effective airport English conversation so you can travel with confidence. Let's get started. Airport check-in conversation. Layla Airport Stuff. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Hudson, passenger. Good morning. Sure, here they are. Layla, airport staff. Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage? Hudson, passenger. Yes, I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag. Layla, airport staff. All right, your suitcase is checked in. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is a 12 and boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. Hudson, passenger. Thank you. What time does the flight depart? Layla, airport staff. Your flight departs at 11:15 a.m. Have a safe flight. Hudson, passenger. Thanks a lot. Immigration conversation. Immigration officer, Layla. Good morning. May I see your passport? Hudson, passenger. Good morning. Yes, here it is. Immigration officer. What is the purpose of your visit? Hudson, passenger. I am traveling for study, work, tourism. Immigration officer. How long will you stay? Hudson, passenger. I will stay for duration, months, years. Immigration officer. Do you have a return ticket? Hudson, passenger. Yes, I do. Here it is. Immigration officer. All right, enjoy your trip. Hudson, passenger. Thank you. Ending message. Layla, that was a simple English conversation for traveling abroad. Practice these sentences so you can speak confidently at the airport. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more English conversation videos. See you in the next lesson.